Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In the previous video, we are working on this tax returns, this one, right? So for this one, what we need to do, so we need to implement the cancel thing. So in order to implement this cancel thing, first what we need to do it is, we need to create the service for this one. So let's try to create a service for this one. So for this one, what I will try to do it is, let's go to the hero tax return service, and here I will create a new class, that is nothing but export class hero tax return service, and this is our service. And here we will be having two phases. Let's assume that we will be having two things. First one is original. So actually original, what we are having, private original tax return. Okay, so this is of type tax return. So original one, this should be original one. So whenever we want to get restored means we need to get back this original one. And we will be having the current means the user what he is trying to change it, current tax return. Okay, and this also should be of hero tax return. That's it. So now these are the two things. So we will be having a tax return. Okay, we will be having a tax return whenever you are trying to set the tax return variable for this one. So I want to set it here. So whenever I am trying to use the set, so whenever we are trying to set this one, so I am using a set variable, and here I want to add it in the original one, this dot original, okay, tax return is equal to, and we will be trying to send this one, right, htr. So that is nothing but hero tax return. So I will try to set it to this one. So whenever we are setting the tax return to this one, that should be set to the original. And also what we need to do, and this one we need to make a copy. So we need to maintain a copy to this one. So how we need to make a, so here what I can do it is, so here you save it in the current tax return also is equal to htr, but these both are having one same, she will be sharing the same data. So whenever I try to change the original data, current also will be changed. So I don't want to be changed with this current data. So what can I do here? So I can do in such a way that htr. I can do that htr. So we can do it one thing, something like htr. Okay, so this is one way. So this is original. So original. So it will be not modified directly. So now current and original is having different. So now what I want to do it is, so we will be having a get value also, get tax return. Okay, so I will be using the get tax return, and this returns the hero tax return, and what I want to do, return the this dot current. So whenever you want to get the current one, so we will be getting the current one. So this is the thing. So if you want to get back the original one means, so this is the thing. That's it. So now, so what we will be having, so here on cancel, so here what I need to do is, I need to restore the taxes. So here what I will do it is, so here I will try to restore the taxes. So that is nothing but restore tax return. So I will restore the tax return, and here what I will try to do is this dot current tax return. Okay, so when I am trying to restore it, so here current tax return should be this dot original tax return, and this should be something like dot. So here I need to have I don't want to have a copy. So why? Because that copy will be changed there. So restore tax return. So the current tax return should be the original. So that means we are getting back the original thing. And here let's go into this one on cancel. So I want to this dot current tax, sorry, hero. So here we are not allowing the constructor, right? So here let's have the constructor private hero tax return service, hero tax return service is equal to hero tax return service. That's it. And here let's try to have it like this. And here whenever I am trying to set the tax return, so we will have a set value also. For this one also we will try to have a set value, so that we can set it in the hero tax return directly. So that could be better, right? So for this one also, so here what I will try to do, input, so we can use it something like, for this input variable also we can use it input set tax return. Here for this one there is nothing but it is of type hero tax return tax return, and in this one what I will try to do it is, I will try to set this one as this dot hero tax return service dot tax return is equal to that htr. There is nothing but it will try to set it in the original and also in the current also. And whenever you want to get it this one, so whenever you want to get this one, So you can use something like get tax return, and here you can write it something like this. So we will be getting back the tax return. That's it. So it gets the current tax return. So tax return means it will always return the current tax return. On cancel, what we need to do, this dot hero tax return service dot restore the tax return. That's it. So now the current tax return, the original tax return will come into this one. So here if you try to see the error, hero return service is not provided. Okay, let's go to the providers and try to do it. Hero tax return service. That's it. So now let's try to see the output. Now here whenever I am trying to change the output for this one, and if I click on the cancel, see I am getting back the original thing. Why? Because I am able to get the original thing. And here if I try to change it to 34,000, and if I want to get back the original value means, so I can get back the original value. Because I am getting back, I am restoring the tax return. Whenever I am getting the tax return, I am saving it in both in the original and the current. Whenever I am trying to do it, the current tax return will be restored by the original tax return. So that's it. So now, so fine. So this is fine. So fine, right? So why? Because we will be using this tax return, and this tax return is related to the services tax return, and this tax return always returns the current tax return. So that's why current tax return is changing. That's why it is changing. So now on cancel it is finished. So now another one what I want to do it is on save. So when I try to save it, so let's try to do it on save. So here what I will do it is on save. So let's go to the hero tax return, and here we will be having it, right? On click is equal to on saved. So this is the on saved. So let's try to have the on saved method here. So it's a simple thing only. So we will try to have the saved method on saved. So we will be trying to save this tax return. So let's try to have the same thing only. So what I will try to do, so I will try to have a method in such a way that save tax return. Okay, let's go to the service and try to implement the tax return. So save tax return. Save tax return means what it will try to do, original tax return. This dot original tax return. So will be saved with the current tax return. That's it. This dot current tax return. That's it. So original tax return will be saved with the current tax. So it will be saved with the current tax return. And the last one which you will be having is the close thing. So close thing is a different. Close thing on close means so you can have a close thing. That's a different thing. So now if you try to, so this one is finished, right? Now let's try to have it something like 15, and I have saved it. Okay. And when I am trying to change back to 55,000, and if I click on the here, so I will get back to 15,000 which I have saved it. Why? Because I am trying to save it in the original tax return. And this one is cancel means, so here if I try to change it to 56, and if I am clicking on the cancel, so here I am able to get the 15,000. And if I click on the 67,000 as this one, and I have saved it this one, and here if I try to change it to 10,000 something like this, and if I click on the cancel, it will be 15,000. And if I try to change it to some number, and if I click on the cancel, the 67,000, but that means the current session will be stored in each component. So here I am trying to save the multiple edit sessions for the service, and both of them is storing its own object for this one. So this is what about the multiple edit sessions, how we will be using the service in the Angular. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.